Hello, Dave and team. This is Christoph with Kaiserworks. We've been chatting this through in-house, seeing what our best options are, and we've really fallen back on what the original design was. We thought about this initially, and the issue was if you paint this a contrasting color or if you use a contrasting material, and by contrasting I mean something different than the ceiling, it really makes it pronounces this issue with the undulation that occurs at the ceiling plane where it meets the wall plane. So in the original design, we had a datum that registered with a tectum where we popped this out 2 inches, and then that recessed plane was painted to match the ceiling. So it really feels like the ceiling's just coming down to lightly touch the top of that form. And we feel that that is the best way forward, is to basically snap that line, cut the plywood and remove the plywood, and potentially go with a 1/4 inch plywood and have the millwork guys fur this out so that we can achieve, I think 2 inch is the minimum to create that separation. Moving to the interior, same strategy. Here we have our millwork piece that just flies underneath of that beam, and then everything above it is painted to match the ceiling, so it really feels like you just have ceiling above your millwork. And we had experimented with painting this black. We did not like that. We experimented with this being an extension of the millwork, and it really just calls attention to the fact that you cannot resolve that intersection between those two planes. So if it's at all possible, we'd like to kind of stick with our plan. This was something we wrestled with, went back and forth with, looked at multiple options of, and this is the clear winner. None of it's kind of awesome, I'll say that candidly, but I think this is the lesser of evils. Less letting that drywall plane be painted to match the ceiling above it, and letting the millwork stop at a clean datum that also registers with the clearly established datum that we have elsewhere.